Hi, I'm Zanzi Fashion Scenes, but today it is going to be Mzansi Gossip Scenes. Is Shebeshkt going away for a very long time? Let's talk about it. Shebeshkt is currently in prison for an attempted murder or on someone, and his bail hearings have been currently denied, and he's still in jail over this incident. And I think that he is going to be going to jail for a very long time. His current girlfriend is currently pregnant, and he alleges that he has another child, and we all know that there was an alleged child that he apparently has with this other girl called Madesh. And I feel like the state is not gonna be letting him out anytime soon because he has a lot of cases in his name in the South African jurisdiction. He has a lot of cases, even though some might have been cancelled or won or whatever the case may be, but the system still shows that this person has been coming in and going out of prison. So will the state ever give him the chance to go out? Because they can see that he's been MNAs and he needs to be rehabilitated. So tell me how you feel about this down in the comments. Do you think that he deserves to be out, or he deserves some time in prison in order for him to be able to be rehabilitated? Tell me your thoughts. And as I was chilling last night, I decided to open my Netflix and watch a movie. So I love whimsical movies. I love movies that include witches, mystery, fantasy, and I love the series The Witcher. So when I saw this movie called The Reds, A Witcher Tale, I had to watch it. And guess what? As I was watching it, did I not see Warren Masemola in the movie? I saw Warren Masimula in the movie, and I was like, wow, our brother is actually getting international gigs. And I was so happy to see him. I felt proud as a South African, and I was just beaming with joy. So I wish you could just check it out just to support our brother. And on to the next one. Let's talk about the collaboration between Nasty C, A-Reece, Max, and Stocky T, because it has actually made the hip hop fans really happy. Like the hip hop community is very happy. They are happy that finally A-Reece and Nasty C are on the same song. And Stocky T actually made it happen. I mean, he is the godfather of hip hop in South Africa, and he actually made it happen. And it has actually made the hip hop community very happy. Like, you guys don't know. I mean, sometimes I wonder if the beef between the two of them was it fan made, because they came out at the same time and they were compared to each other as to who is more more talented than the other. And I don't think that they actually went at each other's throats. It was more so the fans that actually made the beef be what it is more than themselves, and they actually just never collaborated. Yes, there were mushes there and there, but I don't think that the beef was it is serious between the fans, but between the two of them, I don't know if it was ever that serious. But for me, I feel like as an artist, yes, we can be on the same song, but there's no need for us to record at the same place. Nasty C could have recorded at his like studio, and A-Reece could have recorded at his own studio, and the producer actually made the song when they were not even there. So I don't know. But I wish that there could have been a photo of them together in studio or promoting the song, a live of some sort, just for the fans, because the fans are actually happy, but they're just gonna be more tussle because they're gonna be like, whose verse is better than whose verse? Yeah. So tell me how you feel about this collaboration. Are you gonna be streaming? Please tell me how you feel about this video down below and comment your thoughts, and I'll chat to you later. Bye.